So over here in the SketchUp interface, you can see that there are toolbar right here. And depending on the type of work you want to do, you may want to go ahead and have access to different toolbars. So to go ahead and view different toolbars and to enable it, you can go around onto the view menu right here, just like this. And over here, you can see that there are many different toolbars that you can access by going on to toolbars right here. So right now you can see that only the getting started toolbar is active. But if I were to go to edit right here, click on it, then you get another toolbar added in. You can go ahead and click on last tool set and you get the last tool set over here on the left hand side. Similarly, you can go ahead and click right here just like this to enable different toolbars as necessary right here just like this. Click on everything and then that is what you have. So now if I were to go ahead and reset it out right here, then what happens is that the toolbar will be reset. You can go ahead and enable different toolbars as you can see right here just like this, and that is what you have. So you can see that there's some floating toolbars as well. You can go ahead and close it as well, and even go ahead and let's say for example disable this out as you want as well. You can also go ahead and create out a new toolbar as you like right here just like this. Like I can go ahead and say sample right here, and then this is what you have. So you can see that there's the sample toolbar, and then you can go ahead and click and drag out the tools that you want right here into the toolbar just like this as well over here. So you can see that I've made some changes. So now if I were to reset out all, then you can see that the toolbar gets reset and gets sent to the same place. And that is how you can go ahead and customize out the toolbar as needed inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.